guys again.
Hi!
We're back. And it's raining. Tornado watch. We're in Shreveport, Louisiana. Wind's about 30 mile an hour. Heavy rain.
And the time is around, what time? It's 5 o'clock?
5:30.
5:30. 5:30 in the afternoon. It's almost like 6 o'clock already. It's a little bit cloudy and dark. It's a little bit heavy rain. Ako nag-drive karon padulong og Georgia, hoping na ma-stop na ning ulan. Okay. Not fun. Not really fun.
No, this is a part of driving the truck that nobody likes. But it has to be done. You just have to be careful. You're going 45 mile an hour.
Hi sa akong mga viewers, mga guwaps, o mga guwapo nila, akong mga silingan niya sa Bukidnon, akong mga classmate niya sa Cagayan. Naana ko din inyong classmate, o inyong silingan, nag-drive na po sa truck. Oo. Padulong na ni Pauli eh. Akong kuan, ko nga sa akong video karon si Dodong Michael. Hi Dong. Hi Dong.
Hi, Di.
Not the sky. This is on the bridge. This is supposed to be a nice view. Kung wala siyang iban.
There's a lake down there.
Pero naamay sila, hindi na ito makita ang... Is it a river or lake?
Lake, I think. You got to be careful going across here because the water's going to puddle. There's really no place for it to go off in the heavy rain.
Hoping na na-adjust na nimo ang volume sa speaker. Gani